Hello everyone, I am Anirudh Chang. As you all know, we are assembled here for the competition grand opening for January competition. So this is the competition Shades of Creation. So all if you know about this competition, it's been going on from Click Academy since few 3-4 months. So uh, we have selected animation for this month, and we'll be getting the rules and regulations as every time in the site of Click Academy, and you will be getting the link for that in the below this video. So in this session, I mean in this live, I'll just explain what I'm looking from you to see and what is the competition is about. So before that, let me tell you a little bit about Click Academy and Shades of Creation. So Click Academy is a multimedia animation, VFX, and gaming institution where you can learn animation and build your career. And this Click Academy has successfully completed many years in this industry and has given opportunities to many people who are associated with Click Academy and not associated with Click Academy for both. So अभी आज हम लोग एक इसी क्लिक एकेडमी जो कंटिन्यूअसली पिछले कुछ महीने से एक कंपटीशन रन कर रहे हैं, उसी का जनवरी मंथ के लिए जो कंपटीशन है उसका ओपनिंग कर रहे हैं, आज डिस्क्लोज कर रहे हैं क्या है क्या नहीं है. सो शेड्स ऑफ क्रिएशन एक प्लेटफॉर्म है बेसिकली. वी कॉल इट इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म, although it's a competition amongst everyone in this world, बट दिस इज बेसिकली अ प्लेटफॉर्म जिसमें हम लोग अपना टैलेंट को पोर्ट्रे कर सकते हैं, जिसका कंपटीशन रहता है. उस सब्जेक्ट में हम लोगों को क्या आता है क्या नहीं आता है, हम लोग कितना अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं, वो हम लोग दिखा सकते हैं. जो कि इंडस्ट्री में काम करने वाले लोग जैसे मैं और बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स के भी अलग अलग मेंटर्स है क्लिक एकेडमी के, वो लोग रिव्यू करेंगे. एंड रिव्यू आपको बताया जाता है, लाइव सेशन लिया जाता है, जिसमें आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन करना है, आप पूछ सकते हो डायरेक्टली, जो कि कोई भी अदर इंस्टीट्यूशंस अभी तक नहीं किए हैं इंडिया में. सो दिस इज समथिंग वेरी बिग फॉर एवरीवन. एंड उसी का आज जनवरी मंथ के लिए जो कंपटीशन है वो ओपनिंग कर रहे हैं. ये एनिमेशन का एक कंपटीशन रख रहे हैं इस महीने, and there will be only one competition for animation. Let me share what is the competition all about. So I'll share a video with you. It's a downloaded video from YouTube. Uh, some artist has put it online for using as reference. So let me share that. Okay, you can see it, I think, right? So this is a character. We'll be giving you a character, and what you need to do, that will be a rigged character, and take this reference. This guy is just taking an action and hitting a kick, okay, and getting back to its original position. So this is the task I'm looking for from you guys. This is very simple, and you have a very beautiful reference from side and front, which gives you a perfect view of every poses you want. And most importantly, you are getting the frame number also here, in which frame what is the pose and all. So like others, I think there should not be any problem animating this. And so I'll just show you a image of the character what you will be getting. Let me share the image. So this kind of a character you will be getting. Okay. So what you need to do, as every time you have to go to the site, then you have to go to the proper link, you download everything, you'll get a document file where you are having all the rules and regulations mentioned, and then you download the rig character and download the reference. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to do exactly what the character is doing. You have to just copy paste a whole mechanism what you are seeing. And for that, if you want to shoot yourself some references, please go ahead. That will be very good for you also, and us also. And please do share those video references. For Playblast, don't make a tiny Playblast which will be getting rejected. So go to the rules and regulations page. You'll be you have to give a proper resolution Playblast as mentioned in the rules and regulations. Okay, so let me tell you the what we're looking for. Just share with you the page. Okay, so this kind of page you'll be getting. So what we are looking for, you need to submit two full HD Playblast. Okay, so one should be Playblast with PIP. Whoever has done the Hulk competition few months back, you know what is PIP. You have to follow the same process. Make a picture in picture. That means you take a JPEG render of this. If you are facing any problem, just talk to Click Academy. We'll be helping you out. And take that in the camera and scale it down and keep it in any corner of your file. Okay. So one Playblast HD, full HD Playblast with PIP and without PIP. Submission must be in MOV format. The Playblast submission, it should be in MOV format, not JPEG, not AVI, not MP4, nothing else. It should be only .mov very clearly. You can beautify your presentation as you want. Yes. If you think like you add some more action and this will look better, you can go ahead with it, but it should not be like something weird. Okay, so it should be enhancing your action, and any distorted or unreadable MOV will get rejected. As I told, any MOV you made, either it is a very small size, छोटा सा साइज का हो, या फिर डिस्टॉर्टेड हो जो कि दिख ही नहीं रहा है क्या कर रहा है, तो ऐसा कुछ भी रहेगा तो that will get rejected. So बाकी जो भी है ये आप लोग ये पढ़ लीजिएगा. इसमें नॉर्मल रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन जो एवरी टाइम रहता है वही है. और कुछ भी शूट आप कर रहे हो तो प्लीज शेयर विथ अस. एंड आप किसी को बिठा के काम मत कराइए. दैट इज नॉट गुड. ओके. और जो रिग आप डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं CADA के साइट से वही यूज करना है, दूसरा कोई रिग यूज नहीं कर सकता है. So this is what rules and regulations are, and with that I wish you all the best, everyone. So my request is go through the every detail of that reference, every detail of the guidelines and do a proper work, submit it on time. We'll be coming on 17th again for WIP, work in progress review. So I'll be reviewing your file. So try make the basic poses properly, okay, in that. And in between, if you need any help or if you find any difficulty, just call Click Academy, talk to them. They will tell me, I'll check it. Okay. So this is all about this competition for January 2021, the first month of this year starts with, in fact, this decade, this 21 to 30. So uh, it starts with animation. So all the best for all of you, and अच्छे से काम कीजिए, अच्छे से जितना अच्छा हो सकता है कीजिए, देखते हैं आगे। WIP 17 को हम लोग रिव्यू करेंगे एक बार, तब तक जितना हो सकता है प्रॉपरली सबमिट कीजिए, गाइडलाइंस प्लीज फॉलो कीजिएगा एंड ऑन टाइम काम कीजिएगा। दैट्स इट। सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे एंड all the best for each and every one of you, whoever is joining the competition. And any confusion if you have, you can go to the earlier videos also for sets of creation. You'll get clarity about what it is and how it is working since few months. So all the best. Bye bye.